The myPDMtools PDM outsourcing tool allows you to easily manage the projects to be outsourced within PDM by providing some handy export options, whilst also managing the modified imports. To activate PDM outsourcing, go to the myPDMtools options and activate the tool in the context menu. You can then choose to automatically compress the exported files. The name and the location of the export are configurable. It is possible to allow the user to modify the outsourcing parameters. We can easily add rules to make files unmodifiable by the client. Just click on the plus and then add conditions. Let's add the first condition so that files in a specific folder cannot be modified. We'll then also include files in subfolders. We'll add a second condition so that files that have a specific variable are also not modifiable. We will then validate the options. To launch PDM outsourcing, simply right-click on the file to be outsourced. Here we will find the type of outsourcing and the default location defined in the options. You can add drawings related to the project or exclude them. It is possible to perform a search to manually uncheck items. These documents will therefore be exported, but with a Windows read-only attribute. Documents that meet the condition are automatically unmodifiable. Here we will find the names of the condition that is met. All related documents can be outsourced. For example, Word files that have associated PDF files. When you click on Outsourcing, all files will be copied to the specified folder. A report will verify that the outsourcing was successful. The external client can then open the SOLIDWORKS file for modifications. The documents declared not modifiable will be read-only. Documents with write access can be modified. Let's change the radius of this housing. We'll also add screws to the assembly and then save the changes. When the external client sends back the modified documents, you only need to restart PDM outsourcing by right-clicking on the file. The tool will then ask for the folder in which to find the modified elements. We can then easily visualize the documents modified by the provider, as well as the added documents. After verification, all that remains is to import the file into the vault, and a message will ask you to manually re-archive the documents after verification. The import will also allow you to verify that this step has worked.